Rumba Rapids at Thorpe Park has closed for good. So, in this video I want to talk about Rumba Rapids, why it's closing, what could replace it, because there are some interesting possibilities. Rumba Rapids has been operating for over 40 years, opening as Thunder River in 1987. Now, this is built by Intamin Rides, one of the biggest and best manufacturers in the entire world, and they could have something awesome in store for us. Even after rides like Stealth, Soar the Ride and Swarm opened, still Rumba Rapids was an awesome ride choice, especially in the summer. So, why is Rumba Rapids closing? First off, it's just age. A ride that opened in the late 80s is going to need a lot of maintenance, especially a water ride with a lot of pumps that's been ridden a lot. The second reason is probably space. So, Thorpe Park is located on an island with water all around it. So, they don't have much space. Normally, when they want to build something new, they have to remove something first. Same with Hyperia, they had to remove an entire area to get that, and the Rumba Rapids area is actually quite big. Currently, Thorpe Park haven't released the information as to what will be replacing the ride. However, my dream would be an Intamin Blitz. It would make sense for Intamin to do something again, as originally they created Rumba Rapids. Some famous roller coasters of this type, the Intamin Blitz, is Taron at Phantasialand and Velocicoaster at Universal Islands of Adventure. Both are an absolutely world-class ride, so I'd love to see it come to Thorpe Park. Now, something like Velocicoaster occupies a massive space, which isn't quite big enough to fit into the Rumba Rapids area. However, a smaller, more compact version of this ride type would be incredible and could end up being one of the best in the park. So, without further ado, let's have a look at the goodbye video that they made.
This is the end of a journey for this iconic Thorpe Park ride. Rumba Rapids has now permanently closed. This ride originally opened in 1987 as Thunder River and was Thorpe Park's first thrill ride.
If you've ever fancied riding the rapids, then you must try Thunder River.
In 2002, it then became Ribena Rumba Rapids and went through a drastic colour change. This is when this iconic soundtrack was introduced. Then, in 2007, the partnership with Ribena ended and the ride became Rumba Rapids. In 2017, the ride went through a minor retheme to better align it into the jungle area of Thorpe Park. And in the 2020s, Rumba Rapids had a few event overlays as Rumba Rapids during park vibes. Yeah, rapping on the rapids and the rubber dinghy rapid and we're splashing and we're dashing and we're letting it out. And the Oompa Rapids during Oktoberfest. And that brings me to today, 2026, 39 years since Thunder River first opened and began soaking thrill seekers. It's never easy when a classic ride closes, but it's important to look back at the memories and smiles that this ride has given to many generations of thrill seekers over the years. But for now, it's goodbye Thunder River, goodbye Ribena Rumba Rapids, and goodbye Rumba Rapids.
This video was such a lovely and heartfelt way to end the era of Rumba Rapids. So, one last thing to say, goodbye Rumba.